Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we demonstrated the Azure OpenAI service and its ability to process queries using internal or external knowledge bases. This video will focus on the real-time transcription, summarization, and classification capabilities which can be built with Azure. There are common use cases for call centers, IT support, and telemedicine where lots of phone calls are received every day. Using Azure OpenAI, each call or conversation can be summarized in desired level of details. What is also noteworthy is that usually, at the end of a call center conversation, it's needed to detect the topics behind the conversation. Usually, companies use a considerable amount of labeled data to make machine learning or rule-based systems achieving that. In this demo, we also show you how a zero-shot approach is performing on this topic.
Here you can see the diagram of the architecture of our demo. The input comes from the speakers, patient and doctor, with the dual channel input. It is being processed in the real time by the Azure Cognitive Real-Time Speech-to-Text service. And the input can be provided with the use of any audio buffer. It might be a microphone or a phone server. After that, the dialogue is transcribed. Then, the content is in the text form that can be processed by the OpenAI service to provide the summary and the intent topics of the conversation. In our case, the prompt is fine-tuned to provide summary and topics, but the next step could be to incorporate real-time recommendations for the doctors based on the transcript, but these scenarios are out of scope for this application. So, let's move to the demo. Hello, this is Dr. Smith. How can I help you?
Hello, I've been experiencing a persistent cough and shortness of breath for a few days now. I was hoping you could help me figure out what's going on.
All right. Have you been in close contact with anyone who has tested positive for COVID-19 recently?
No, I haven't been in contact with anyone who tested positive.
Okay. Based on your symptoms, it's possible that you may have contracted a respiratory infection. I would recommend scheduling a COVID-19 test just to rule it out. In the meantime, I prescribe you some medication.
That sounds like a good plan.
All right. I send you a prescription for a capsaicin and an inhaler to your pharmacy. It should help relieve your symptoms.
Thank you so much, doctor. Is there anything else I should be doing to help myself feel better?
Yes, make sure to drink plenty of fluids and rest as much as possible. If your symptoms worsen or you develop a fever, call your office immediately.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you for your help, doctor.
You're welcome. Stay safe and take care.
As you can see, the Azure OpenAI service has transcribed and summarized the conversation between the doctor and the patient. In addition, a list of actions and next step has been recorded automatically. Such a tool can help drastically reduce the administration time of any call center. Most of the work has been performed automatically, and the doctor would only need to make small edits or approve the generated content. The demo could be extended to fit any business workflow. In that scenario, we can imagine automatically identifying symptoms, medication, or even recommending next steps for the doctor.
We hope you enjoyed the demos. Large language models such as GPT-4 have excellent ability in processing text. When used in combination with transcription models, they allow to extract summaries and insights from audio conversations efficiently and accurately. In this demo, we have used an example from telemedicine, but please keep in mind that the same approach can be used across industries. Other typical examples, to name a few, include customer service, telesales, and IT help desk. Azure provides the necessary infrastructure to build conversation insights application required by your company. As Unit8, we can help you develop, deploy, and support such services and adapt them to your needs.